Welcome back to Auto Speed's Vibes, your home for the most thrilling, luxurious, and outrageous creations on four wheels. Today, we're diving into something truly unexpected and absolutely jaw-dropping, not one, but two of the most incredible motorhomes ever created. Let's start with the 2026 Lamborghini Motorhome, a beast that brings the Raging Bull's DNA into the world of RVs. From the outside, it commands attention instantly. Lamborghini's iconic sharp angles and aggressive aerodynamic lines are all present, just scaled up for a larger-than-life presence. The front end features a bold Y-shaped LED light signature, a massive front fascia inspired by the Aventador and Revuelto, and carbon fiber detailing that gives it a motorsport aura. Its color options scream Lamborghini, with choices like Verde Mantis Green, Arancio Borealis Orange, and Nero Noctis Black. But this isn't just about looks. This Lamborghini Motorhome is built on a performance-tuned hybrid V8 platform, offering over 800 horsepower combined with electric assist. Yes, that's right, this RV can go from 0 to 60 in just over 4 seconds, which is absolutely unheard of in the world of motorhomes. Active suspension, carbon ceramic brakes, and an adaptive aerodynamic system make it feel more like a super SUV than a traditional camper. Step inside, and the madness continues. The interior is dripping with high-performance luxury. Think Alcantara seats with contrast stitching, a driver-focused cockpit with Lamborghini's signature hexagonal design language, and a central infotainment system with AI-based voice controls. The dashboard features fully customizable digital displays, ambient lighting, and an integrated holographic assistant that helps plan routes, find destinations, or even adjust the lighting and temperature inside. The rear of the motorhome is where things get even more wild. It includes a luxury lounge area that transforms into a bedroom, a fold-out sun deck, a spa-style bathroom with marble effect finishes, and even a mini garage to store a Ducati motorcycle or a couple of e-bikes. There's an extendable canopy that creates an outdoor cinema, complete with retractable 75-inch OLED display and Bang & Olufsen's surround sound system. Solar panels integrated into the roof provide sustainable energy, and a built-in espresso bar ensures that Italian passion fuels every part of your journey. Now let's shift gears and explore the 2026 Ferrari Motorhome, a masterpiece that blends elegance, speed, and exclusivity like only Ferrari can. Unlike the Lamborghini's brute force aesthetic, the Ferrari Motorhome adopts a flowing, aerodynamic form reminiscent of the Roma and Purosangue. Its sculpted bodywork flows like a sculpture in motion, with delicate curves that cut through the air. The signature Ferrari grille, prancing horse badges, and deep Rosso Casa paint make it instantly recognizable. Under the hood, or rather, beneath the cabin, lies a plug-in hybrid V6 with over 700 combined horsepower. It's not quite as ferocious as the Lambo on paper, but it's tuned for refined, exhilarating performance. Ferrari engineers worked meticulously to make the motorhome glide on the road with adaptive suspension, rear-wheel steering, and performance tires that balance power and comfort. It may be a large vehicle, but it handles more like a grand tourer than a lumbering RV. Inside, the Ferrari Motorhome is all about elegance and finesse. High-grade Italian leather, hand-stitched detailing, and carbon fiber accents create a cocoon of luxury. The cockpit feels like a Ferrari GT car, with a minimalist steering wheel, F1-style paddle shifters, and a curved OLED display that shows everything from speed and GPS to entertainment and ambient control. Ferrari's new, smart, touring assistant, uses AI to adjust settings based on your mood and driving style. The living quarters are equally refined. A modular lounge transforms into a cozy bedroom with premium bedding, while the kitchenette features Ferrari-branded appliances, including an espresso machine and a wine chiller for your best bottle of Barolo. The bathroom is sleek and futuristic, with digital mirrors, a rain shower, and motion-controlled ambient lighting. But the most stunning feature is the hidden, Ferrari Lounge, a deployable side area that extends from the motorhome with glass walls, heated flooring, and an immersive audio-visual experience. Here, you can watch races, host guests, or simply relax while enjoying a panoramic view. Ferrari even includes a curated scent system that releases aromas like fresh leather or Tuscan fields, heightening the sensory experience of being in a Ferrari-branded space. Both of these motorhomes push the limits of what we expect from an RV. They aren't just about luxury camping, they represent an entirely new philosophy where speed meets comfort, style meets functionality, and brand identity extends beyond cars to lifestyle. Lamborghini's Motorhome is more of a wild supercar on steroids, with aggressive styling and a bold personality, perfect for those who crave performance and presence in everything they do. On the other hand, the Ferrari Motorhome is a rolling work of art, built for those who appreciate subtlety, elegance, and an emotional connection to their surroundings. Pricing hasn't been officially revealed yet, but expect each of these models to command multi-million-dollar tags. They're limited production vehicles, possibly under 50 units each, aimed at collectors, celebrities, and ultra-wealthy enthusiasts who want the absolute pinnacle of automotive and travel experiences combined. Lamborghini might call theirs the Lambrohome, while Ferrari is rumored to name it the Rosso Voyager, though both names are still unofficial. What's clear is that both manufacturers are responding to a growing trend, a desire for mobility without compromise. As the world changes, people want the freedom to explore without giving up luxury or performance. These motorhomes aren't just products, they're rolling dreams, expressions of identity, and a new way of living life at 200 miles per hour, even when parked. So whether you're drawn to the raging power and wild design of the Lamborghini or the sophisticated charm and grand touring nature of the Ferrari, one thing is for sure, the age of the ultra-luxury supercar motorhome has officially begun. These are not just vehicles, they are experiences. Thanks for joining us on this unforgettable ride into the future of RVs. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to Auto Speed's Vibes for more mind-blowing automotive content, first looks, and luxury lifestyle innovations from around the world. Until next time, keep your engines roaring and your dreams rolling.